you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited that the Beautylish extra large size lucky bag just arrived. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So the extra large lucky bag by Beautylish just arrived. I'm super excited. So let's go over the pricing really quick and then we're gonna dive in and see what is inside. So they have the smaller version, which is the Lucky Bag Original. That was $75 for the box plus $10 for shipping, and you should have $150 or higher worth of beauty surprises in that one. For the original, you do have a drop down where you can choose your skin tone color and then you cash out. For the larger one, there was not that option. You didn't have that drop down to check your skin tone. So I don't know what we're gonna have inside of here, but you didn't have the option to choose your skin tone on this one. But this one here is $150 plus $15 in shipping. So I spent $165 for this, and you should have a $300 or higher value. There was another option if you wanted to do Jeffree Star. That one was $75 with $10 shipping, and you should have $150 worth of Jeffree Star only products. Or you had a get one, give one. So you would have spent $150. You would receive the original $75 smaller box for yourself, and they would donate the original $75 box to another. They donate to the Project Glimmer. So you had 4 different options. So let's go ahead and dive in. I'm so excited, especially since I canceled a lot of my makeup subscription boxes. I was just getting like so overwhelmed with so much makeup that I wasn't using. So I feel a lot better that I've canceled them. So I'm so excited to get some new makeup because, again, I don't really get makeup anymore. When you first open it up, that is what it looks like. You have your little tag that says Lucky Bag 2023. You do have a sticker that's holding that tag on. And then here is the cute paper. I know every year they do a different little theme on the paper. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. Let's remove the paper. And everything looks like it's down inside of this right here. So if you wanted to see this entire paper, that is what it looks like. Here is the tag. And it says on the back, now more than ever, we want to celebrate community and connection. This year's Lucky Bag design is dedicated to you, our global community. We hope the surprises inside serve as a reminder that we're all in this together. That is so neat. So again, there's your paper that I do save. So let's go ahead and dump all of these products out. So the first thing right on top is by Good Molecules. I absolutely love this brand. Everything that I have used thus far, I really have enjoyed. So let's get this one out. I'm not sure if I have used this exact toner, but I definitely have used one of their toners before. This one here is the Galactic Exfoliating Toner. I use a toner every single day, so I absolutely love when I get things that I use on a daily basis. So I'm not mad at that. I definitely love toners. Next we have, it says Feather Balm Weightless Styler. I'm not sure what this one is. And the brand is at ORIBE. This box looks like it's either been wet or it's been used and abused. It says Feather Balm Weightless Styler. It's a cute package, but what do you do? Distribute throughout damp hair. Blow dry or air dry for feather light styles. Can also be used throughout the day as a tamed finisher. So that would probably work like if I have my little flyaways to kind of like tame them bitches down. That would probably work for that, but that is a really pretty bottle. It looks almost like a lotion or like a cologne or something almost, but that is really neat. And I don't think I've ever tried anything from this brand or at least anything like this. So that is neat. Next up, we have a product here. I'm not sure if that's Holly Frog, but it says Halo AHA plus BHA Evening Serum. And let's get this one out. Oh, that's a cute little bottle. That is definitely different. It says glow in the dark and the morning after too. Even healthy skin has its off days. As a resurfacing step in your skincare routine, Halo exfoliates dead skin cells and nourishes It addresses uneven skin tone and textures, excess sebum, fine lines, and enlarged pores. Antioxidants and moth bean extracts help clean up free radicals that cause fine lines and discoloration. That is neat. Does it say how to use? How to use. Apply a thin layer to the face and neck after cleansing and toning. Follow with a moisturizer. Can be used 2 to 3 nights a week, but not with other exfoliating products. Always wear an SPF, especially the day after using this serum. Great tip. So use this just a few nights a week, but you use it before your moisturizer after cleansing and toning. And again, that is a really cute package, so I'm excited to try that out. Next we have is something down inside of here. It's all wrapped up in this little package. It feels like it's a brush set to me. That's what I feel handles in my hand. Let's see. Yes, it is yeah, it looks like it's a whole brush set. And they have these orange handles. I do not see a brand name on these. All it says is Unit 301 for this one, Unit 304, Unit 305, Unit 303, Unit 302, and then Unit 306. I honestly don't really use a lot of brushes, especially face brushes. I don't do anything with my face at all. I only do my eyes, and I can't use these for my eyeshadow. So I will just go ahead and hold these. I will wrap it back up in the little package, and I will put this in a future giveaway pile for one of you guys to enjoy, because I know I won't use them. And I have tons of brush sets already that I don't use. So I'd rather these go to somebody who would actually utilize them. So that whole set will go to one of you guys at some point soon. That's great. I love passing down to you guys because it's a win-win. If it's for me or for you, it's still a great thing. So let's keep on going. Now we have is a pure silk skinny scrunchie. So it looks like that, and it says slip right in the front, and it looks like it's a pinkish color. I have so many scrunchies, so I will put this in my future giveaway pile as well, because I think I even have this exact same one. Next we have the Essentials Eye Pencil by Wayne Goss. I don't know if I have anything like this. I know the only thing I can think of right now that I have by him is just like one brush that I use all the time, actually, that is by him, but I can't recall if I have any makeup. So this is what it looks like. Is it just a black eyeliner? That's what it looks. No, it's granite. So like a dark gray. That's awesome. I will definitely use this. And if you want to see the color, it is literally like a dark gray, like a smoky gray. I love that. And that is really neat that it's by Wayne Goss. I'm super, super excited. So next we have, it says a lipstick refill, M9. This is by, it looks like Mob, M-O-B. And, oh, this is M-O-B as well. This is a lip capsule. So, do you stick this in here? Repurpose lip capsule. Hold one lip balm or lipstick refill to load, remove the clear lid from the refill, and click into the capsule base. So that's what it sounds like. So this is what this looks like. And it looks like you have this little thing here that you can just stick the refill in. I'm not really hip on lipstick. I don't really do much with my lips at all. So I'm going to save this for one of you guys. I'm not going to open this to show you the color. You can see pretty much right there what the color would be, but I'm going to put these two together in my future giveaway pile as well. So one of you guys can actually enjoy that and use it like it's supposed to. Because I know if I open it, I know I'm not going to use it, but it looks like a really, really pretty mauve color. Again, I just have so many that I don't use that I would hate for this just to sit in my arsenal, just wasting space when someone can actually use it. So I will put that in my future giveaway pile with that brush set and the scrunchie. So now it looks like I'm going to have a few different palettes. This is a smaller one. It's by Viseart. Viseart, is that how you say it? It's the Petite 4 Lavender. It looks like there's going to be 4 colors right there. I know I don't have anything like that. Oh, look at the cute little package. You open it like, oh, you open it like this. Oh, that's definitely different. It opens like backward. You would think it would be like this and you get to see it, but nope. Let me remove the, oh, it's like a little cover. And then here are the colors. That is really pretty because I can do a one complete look with this. I have my low colors for like my mid shades. I have my dark color, and then the like for my lower lid, the shimmer. I like that. I definitely can create a whole look with just those 4 colors, and I really like that. So let me put this right back over the top. No, I don't even need to save that on there. I'll just close it up like that. So there's that. I don't have anything with those colors, so I'm really excited. And ooh, we have something from Natasha Denona. This says My Dream Cheek Trio Blush and Highlighter Palette. I wonder if this is the one. No, hers was bigger. I was gonna say Rena from Boxes and Deals, she got a lucky bag as well. So if you wanna see a different variation, I will link hers down below. You can see what she got. She got something different, a bigger palette. So this is definitely not it, but let's get this open and see what it looks like. I'll probably pass this down to one of you guys because again, I don't do anything really with my face. So highlighter and cheeks, I wouldn't use. But that is what the outside looks like. I like how it looks like just like little ink splats. When you open it up, there's a nice large mirror on the top. It does open all the way. And here are the colors inside. That is super, super pretty. But again, I know I won't use it as it's intended. So I'm just going to save this for one of you guys to enjoy. There's that. That's super cute packaging. And that's great to see in here. Now we have is something wrapped up in here. It looks like another palette. Oh, this is by Wayne Goss though. This is the Luxury Eye Palette. Tourmaline. Oh my gosh. So I was really hoping, the only thing that I had in my mind that I really wanted was an eyeshadow palette. I was really excited to get this. But here is an actual eyeshadow palette. I really hope it's the one that I've been eyeing that has like browns, like neutral colors. Let's see. That is what it looks like. And let's see. No, but this is actually so much prettier. The one that I was seeing was more like browns, but this is more my jam. These are more like mauves and like purplish type colors. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Let me go ahead and swatch all 6 of these for you just so you can see the colors. Okay, so there are all 6 of the colors. They're just so pretty. I cannot wait. And look at that shine right there. I cannot wait to use this. Oh my gosh. I am so excited about this right here. So that is everything that came in my lucky bag. So do you think I was lucky? I do. I am super ecstatic about this and this. I'm actually really excited about these lavender colors. I can do a whole look with this. So I have 2 new palettes to start using. This trio here with the highlighter and blush, I will gladly pass to one of you guys to enjoy. This whole entire brush set, I will pass to one of you guys. This case with refill of this lipstick will go to one of you guys. This scrunchie will go to one of you guys. There's this serum. You have this hair product. And then there is a toner. Okay, you guys. So that is everything that came in my extra large lucky bag by Beautylish. What did you guys think of all of the products inside? Again, I'm really happy with this because half of the products I'm going to be using and enjoying myself. Half of the products are going to go pass down to one of you guys, which is an amazing thing because again, I love to pass down and share with you guys. So it's a win-win. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Did you try to get one? Have you seen other variations? Let me know down below. And again, if you wanted to check out Rena's video to see a different variation and what she got, I will link her video down below in the description box so you can see another variation. Because right now, I do not believe I don't think we got anything the same. I don't think we got anything the same. I don't think so. So if you want to see another variation, again, that link will be down below. You can definitely go and check it out. So that is everything for this particular video. Again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.